Can you guys see this? Snatched. Facetune Michael Jackson nose. Hee hee. What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. Are you ready to have your wig snatched right off your head? Today, you guys, I'm sharing with you how to edit live video selfies to look just like Kim Kardashian herself, the Queen Kim Kardashian West, and how to look like any of the Kardashian family members. You guys know when they post a video on Instagram, you think, it doesn't really look like you have a filter on, but like there's definitely some digital sorcery, some weird sorcery going on, because I know your eyes don't look that big. I know your nose isn't that snatched. I feel like this is something not a lot of people know, but did you guys know that you can actually edit live videos? With digital editing, you can do anything from whitening your teeth, snatching your nose, smoothing your skin. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and it's just another way to make you look so flawless. So the secret to editing live video selfies is Facetune 2. Now, I'm sure all of you guys have heard of Facetune because it's one of the most popular selfie editing apps. It does everything from adding details to your eyes, you can change the color of your eyes, snatch your nose, smooth your skin. You can basically erase your life and start again with the Facetune app. So Facetune 2 is even crazier than Facetune 1, and it lets you edit live videos. So let's dive right into the best part of today's video, where I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of what I actually look like now and what I look like on the Facetune 2 app. I'm going to put it on the screen right around here. So let's open up the app and, okay, that's obviously not me, but let's go up to the top left-hand corner and hit the live edit button. Now this is going to bring up the camera to see a live video. There I am. You guys can see me. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So let's start with some skin smoothing. You guys can see that we're live talking on the video here. You can see everything, and you just have to slide the bar right along here. You guys can see that my skin is already starting to be smoothed out. This is crazy. Between good lighting, makeup, and then photo editing software, video editing software, you can sell any fantasy. Like, I'm telling you guys, this is wig snatching stuff. Look at this. If I filmed a video just like this, like on my Instagram, and I was like, hey guys, what's up? If you turn it down maybe a little bit more, like, I could give you guys a total video, and you might not even be able to clock that I've edited this video. I mean, this is just crazy. All right, so let's click on teeth whitening here. Now my teeth are already pretty white. Let me show you guys. Let's smile. And let's turn up the brightness. Oh, I mean, holy moly. And here you go. You can still record live video. So I still have that face smoothing filter on. And now I've whitened my teeth. I mean, we're just leveling up one step at a time digitally. This is crazy. So I'm going to turn the teeth whitening down just a little bit to make it just a little bit more real. So I've turned that down. Now let's click on details. Now this brings out the details in your eyes. Now check this out, guys. This is crazy. This is going to give me more bright eyes, more alert eyes. Just makes your eyes look so much more sharp and all your features so much more sharp. So you have smooth skin and sharp features. I mean, that is the goal in life. And wow, this is really selling it. No wonder that these celebrities look perfect in their Instagram videos. All right, guys, now this next one is actually my favorite feature, and that is the nose snatching feature. Now this actually makes your nose smaller or bigger. Check this out, you guys. So let's focus on the nose and watch my snatched nose. Instant nose job. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? Instant snatched nose. Normal nose. Snatched Facetune Michael Jackson nose. Hee hee. You guys, I love my Facetune nose. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I can't get enough of my snatched nose. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's move right along into the next facial editing feature, and that is making your eyes bigger. Now I know, and you guys will notice after this, all of the Kardashians do this in almost all of their videos. They all make their eyes bigger. It almost makes you look like anime. Wait until you guys see this. Okay, are you ready? Don't even tell me that I don't look like Kendall Jenner. This is absolutely crazy. Look how much bigger. I mean, this doesn't even look human. So with my little snatch nose and my big eyes, these big bug eyes, please, who has time for these eyes? Why do they even make the filter so big that they can become this big? Okay guys, so I saved the craziest editing option for last, and that is to make your lips bigger. Now you guys know the Kardashians are all about this. And you know what? Why am I even surprised that this could be an option? All right, so let's go ahead and blow the lips all the way up so you guys can see what this looks like. I mean, why would I even be surprised? I literally look like I have Kim Kardashian lips all ready. Oh, juicy. Now, wowee, this is a puckerlicious pout. Do you guys remember when Kylie Jenner denied having her lips done and she said that she just overlined them and used a lot of lipstick to get her fuller lips? That is exactly what I feel like right now. Like if you guys saw this video, I would be like, oh, this is me, this is natural. And you guys would be like, what? Okay guys, so here's my finished look with all of my Facetune 2 edits on. I've smoothed the skin a little bit, I've snatched my nose, I've made my eyes a little bit bigger and more detailed. If I go ahead and click the button on the bottom right, you guys are going to see between what I should really look like or what I actually look like and what the filters I have on. So here we go. Regular. Look at that nose. Edited. Snatched. Regular. Edited. You guys, this software is absolutely amazing and almost unclockable. Between good lighting, makeup, and I mean a good filter, you literally can look flawless. No wonder every beauty guru looks so flawless. This is the secret, you guys. Facetune 2. Alright guys, I hope you held on to your wigs for this crazy expose of how to edit live video selfies. The future is just so crazy. I don't know why I never thought of this or why it never crossed my mind that you could possibly edit live videos. I mean, I always knew there was something going on, but now you can clock at the house. You guys can go out there and when you see videos on Instagram, you can be like, I see your Photoshop. Now this is nothing against Facetune because everyone loves a good Facetune. I myself have used Facetune many of times, but this whole live editing of videos is just like, it's amazing. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm gonna go on continuing to film videos without using the Facetune nose snatching tool. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you wanna hang out with me even more between now and the next video, you can watch more videos right here. And you can subscribe right here. If you made it to the end of this video, you guys know I love and appreciate you so much. Hit me up in the comments down below, guys. I reply to every single comment. Until the next video, I can't wait to see you then. Bye guys.